Hello, everyone. I love the month of November. It's one of my favorite months. It's the start of the holiday season and the perfect time to gather with family and friends to give thanks. At my home, it is a tradition to open our table to anyone who can share Thanksgiving with us. I'm the lead cook, of course, with lots of helpers, and it's wonderful to share real conversations at our meal with so many different people. Like me, I know you are grateful for the blessings in our lives. And when there's a chance to open up our table to more people in Norwex, we are ready to serve. This month, you can share with your host and customers that Norwex will donate to help feed families in need. Our North American goal, it's a big goal, but I know we can do it. It is to provide over 100,000 meals through the Norwex Foundation for a brighter future. And you can help make that happen. The need is great. In the United States, 49 million people turned to food programs last year so they wouldn't have to choose between paying their bills and feeding their families. In Canada, people visit food banks over 1.4 million times each month. The organizations that we partner with provide nutritious meals to families across North America. We're so grateful their networks are already in place and ready to feed those in need. So this November, as you think about what you're grateful for, please know that we are grateful to you for all that you do to create a positive impact every day. So can we link arms together this month to feed the needs of children and families? Our communities are looking for our help, and 100,000 meals, wow, that will make a real difference. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.